Have you ever wondered if you could change your mindset and transform your life in just 1 week? Reprogramming your brain is all about rewiring your thoughts and beliefs to achieve mental well-being and personal growth. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to this practice, you can unlock a world of possibilities and unleash your full potential. Stay tuned to discover the secrets to reprogramming your brain in just 7 days. Brain reprogramming is rooted in the fascinating concept of neuroplasticity, which highlights the brain's ability to adapt and change throughout life. By consciously reshaping our habits, beliefs, and mindset, we can create new neural pathways that promote positive thoughts and behaviors. Imagine the impact of reprogramming your brain to boost productivity, cultivate happiness, and foster personal growth. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the transformative power of brain reprogramming. To kickstart your brain reprogramming journey, begin by pinpointing areas in your life that could benefit from a positive shift. Whether it's boosting confidence, reducing stress, or enhancing creativity, setting clear and specific goals is key. By visualizing your desired outcomes and affirming them daily, you can reinforce your commitment to the process. Remember, clarity, specificity, and relevance are crucial in goal setting for effective brain reprogramming. Get ready to transform your mindset and achieve your aspirations. Embark on your 7-day brain reprogramming journey with a structured plan of daily exercises. Start your day with mindfulness meditation to center your thoughts, followed by positive affirmations to reinforce new beliefs. Keep a gratitude journal to cultivate a positive mindset. Consistency and commitment to these practices are key for optimal results. Remember to stay motivated and overcome challenges by focusing on the transformative power of reprogramming your brain. Let's begin this empowering journey together. As you embark on your brain reprogramming journey, monitoring your progress is crucial for success. Practice self-reflection and awareness to identify patterns and changes in your thoughts and behaviors. Stay flexible in adjusting your techniques based on your individual responses. Consider using tools like journaling or tracking apps to evaluate the effectiveness of your reprogramming process. By staying attuned to your journey and making necessary adjustments, you can optimize your brain reprogramming experience for lasting transformation. Congratulations on completing your 7-day brain reprogramming journey. Now, it's essential to sustain the positive changes you've achieved. Integrate new habits and thought patterns into your daily routines to solidify your progress. Be prepared for potential setbacks or relapses and have strategies in place to overcome them. Remember, consistency is key in reprogramming your brain for long-term benefits. Stay committed to your practice and continue to nurture a positive mindset for ongoing growth and transformation. In just 7 days, you've unlocked the transformative power of brain reprogramming, paving the way for personal growth and well-being. By reshaping your thoughts and beliefs, you can enhance productivity, happiness, and overall life quality. Now, it's time to take action and embark on your own brain reprogramming journey with enthusiasm and dedication. Subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire others to join you on this empowering path towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life.